Here's a pumpkin idea from the Spooky VIP add-on pack 40513. There's a few things you can do with this, but we'll show you a few alterations as well as how to make this little pumpkin guy. This is all from that pack, and we'll show you how to do that today. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Here are all the pieces that were used to make this little pumpkin. And here's the finished product, a little pumpkin man. And what's neat is you can do a few alterations to this. First of all, you can make the mouth to different shapes with the chain. So you can make it in a smiley face or confused faces. Additionally, you can change the legs out for a few different things that were available in the Spooky VIP add-on pack. One of those are these little pegs. Can be used. So we can take a couple of the pegs, add those onto the bottom, and you can use these. Although I think it's not the best legs, but another option that does stand. So you can see that. And then the hair can also be changed out for a few different things. So you can take the spider, put it on to make it look like it's got a little bit of hair. You can do a few alterations with that. And then the set comes with a few of these pieces, so you can stack them on, put a witch's hat on. So, looks like a little pumpkin witch standing there. Another thing that can be done is the Spooky VIP add-on pack comes with these wings. So you can take the wings and put them in to make it look like it's a flying pumpkin. So that's another option. You can see that with the original legs that I have. Also stands up. And then it also just stands by itself if you just wanted to be a pumpkin. So you can let that fly away. So there's a lot of things you can do with this set. You can even try to use the cookies as a alteration for different things. Make it look like it's got different things going on. So a few different options for you. If you like this, definitely check out our other videos. We've done a few different alterations. We've also built this cool gravestone set, which has some of the Spooky VIP add-on packs. You can see a tutorial for that, as well as a tutorial that we just released on this tree. Appreciate all the subscriptions. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so definitely check out all of our content. We have a lot of stuff now. Appreciate everyone. See you in the next video.